Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm sharing a detailed review of my custom-made watercolor brushes for Procreate. Brushes that I believe are just perfect for abstract painting. You can download them for free. All the details and the link are in the description below. My brush set includes 7 main watercolor brushes, each with a subtle watercolor paper texture. The remaining brushes are additional tools that help bring out the finer details in your artwork. Let's dive in with brush number 1. It creates cloudy, translucent layers. Perfect for backgrounds or soft transitions. Almost like painting with tinted mist. Brush number 2 has a slightly denser texture. It's great for layering colors and adding more depth, while still keeping that loose watercolor charm. Brush number 3 gives a lovely granulated effect. Perfect for adding a touch of unpredictability, just like real watercolor pigments settling on paper. Let's move to brush number 4. This brush gives your artwork that authentic watercolor look, perfect for expressive strokes and texture. Brush 5 delivers crisp edges with a soft center. It works beautifully for defining shapes while still keeping the look dreamy and painterly. Now brush number 6. This brush creates soft, flowing strokes that blend effortlessly, making it ideal for building smooth, organic shapes with a natural watercolor feel. And brush number 7. This one has a juicy, pigment-rich texture. It feels like painting with saturated watercolor on wet paper, giving bold but fluid results. The next 2 are line brushes. Ideal for drawing fine lines or adding detailed accents. Each brush has a slight paper texture, keeping everything cohesive with the watercolor look. Next is the blender brush. It's used for softly blending colors together, not meant for standalone painting. Let's pick some colors and use the blender to gently mix them. See how smoothly they melt into each other? Now we have the burn brush. This one's really fun. It enhances and saturates your colors. Here's how it works. Lay down some color. Pick any tone from your palette and paint over it with the burn brush. See the difference? It intensifies the hues beautifully. Next is one of my favorites, the splatter brush. It adds a spontaneous burst of watercolor splashes, bringing energy and playfulness to your artwork. And here are the splatter stamps. Perfect for creating background texture or simulating the look of salt effects in traditional watercolor. Next up, 3 brushes made for painting or simulating flowers. Each brush has a soft texture that gives a delicate hand-painted look, great for quick floral shapes or layering natural-looking petals. Now let's check out the moon and star stamp brushes. Each one has a subtle watercolor texture and adds a whimsical, dreamy effect. Perfect for magical, night sky-inspired compositions. And finally, 2 stamp brushes with watercolor trees. No need to say much here. Just look how charming and atmospheric they are. So that's the full tour. I've poured a lot of love into creating this brush set, so that anyone can explore the beautiful world of abstract watercolor painting. I can't wait to see what you create. Don't forget to tag me and leave your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.